Customizing a folder on your computer can be a fun way to organize and personalize your digital workspace. Here are some ways you can customize a folder. Change folder icon. You can change the icon of a folder to something more visually appealing or representative of its contents. Right-click on the folder, select Properties, go to the Customize tab, and click on Change Icon. Custom folder icons. Design or download custom folder icons from the internet to give your folders a unique look. There are many websites where you can find icon packs for free.